Breaking news out of Evanston this morning, where two construction workers are now in the hospital, one in critical condition after an accident at a work site. CBS 2's Roseanne Tellez is live on the scene on Emerson for us with the latest. Hi, Roseanne.
That's right. Good morning, ladies. I'm on Emerson at Benson Street, where, as you said, there was some kind of accident. These metal beams, these steel beams are crumpled. They're hanging on a crane, and two men were injured. But I want to take your attention up to the top of that crane. We're told that the crane operator is still inside. We just saw it looks like firemen go up there, firefighters go up to that cage, and I'm not sure if they're going to try and bring him down right now, but there's real questions about the stability of this crane at this point. We're told that's why he is staying up there for now as they start to investigate. I want to show you chopper video from just a little while ago. This all unfolding this morning at around 8:30. Here's the construction site. It is a 9-floor apartment building going up in Evanston. Now, traffic on Emerson between Sherman and Maple has been blocked off as you see police and fire investigating. At ground level, you'll see the beams, those steel plates and beams, were apparently being offloaded off that truck just before 8:30. It appears that the crane may have dropped them. We're not really sure what happened, but they are partially attached to that crane, but rumpled, twisted steel at this point. You'll also see a tool belt crumpled on the side of that truck there on the street. Two workers were injured. As you said, one critically, one of them pinned. Evanston police and fire were called. The district chief from Evanston Fire told us this.
Two workers were injured in this accident. They were immediately rushed to Evanston Hospital. They were able to extricate them from underneath part of a beam. The other person was not pinned, but a very fast transport to the hospital.
Those injuries involved a 55-year-old man who is in critical condition, we're told. And the 28-year-old worker was the one who was somehow pinned beneath this metal in some way. But they were able, as you heard the chief to say, to extricate him. Both are now at Evanston Hospital. And we are standing by, a lot of investigators from police and fire. And as I said, at this point, maybe we can go back up because I do see some movement up here. It looks like the firefighter is out and coming back down, but the crane operator, it looks like, may still be up in that box. We'll stay at the scene, continue to monitor this situation. We'll let you know if anything changes. Marissa, Aaron, back to you in the studio.
All right, Roseanne, thank you very much.